Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to factory reset the Redmi Note 15 Pro. Basically, from the home of your Redmi Note 15 Pro, you want to open up the settings just like so, and then you want to tap on the about option at the top over here. Now scroll all the way down and you're going to find the factory reset option at the bottom. Tap on it. Now you want to go through all of the following items over here. So basically this is going to erase everything, including our contacts, our photos and videos, apps, accounts, backups. And as you can see from the bottom, all of these items will be permanently deleted. So if you agree with all of this, just go ahead and click on erase all data just like so, and then you will be required to enter your password, pin or pattern. I'll go ahead and enter my pattern rather, and now you just want to tap on factory reset. Give it a couple of seconds, and then you want to tap on the next button at the bottom over here, and then finally you just want to tap on OK. And now the factory resetting process is going to begin. You want to give it a couple of seconds at this point. After a couple of seconds, you're going to see the Xiaomi logo, and after about a minute or two, you will then be taken back to the initial setup page of the Redmi Note 15 Pro for you to set up your device one more time. And just like so, we are good to go. If this was helpful, please make sure you subscribe and smash that like button, guys.